Hey guys, welcome back to Mad About Skin. If you're new to our channel, welcome. Here at Mad About Skin, we're passionate about helping you to get the most out of your skincare. So if you haven't already, now's a fantastic time to click that link below, subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell, and you won't miss out on any of our amazing future content. Now, in today's video, I am bringing you some exciting news, and that is a flash sale from Deciem, my absolute favorite skincare brands of all time. The Ordinary, Hylamide, Neod, all the greats that feature in my skincare routine are going to be 23% off for the whole of November, excluding Black Friday. So that might seem a little counterintuitive, but you know what? I reached out to Deciem, and what they said their thoughts behind this was that actually Black Friday drives hyper-consumerism, and you feel like you have to buy the items on that day, otherwise you miss them, you miss the chance to have that saving. And so often you buy products you don't really need, you overconsume, and you create waste. And so what they wanted to do was to give everyone the option to purchase the products they want and that they really think they need, they've thought about throughout November. So whether you jump on straight after this video, which is what I'm going to do, and make a few purchases to take advantage of that 23% off everything, or you want to wait a little bit, maybe think about what you want and how it's going to fit into your skincare routine, you have the choice, because this 23% saving is running right the way across November. So in today's video, I'm going to be jumping on and very excitedly sharing you what I think I'm going to be purchasing from The Ordinary and Hylamide, two of their most accessible brands. I did a video on Neod and my things that I've already purchased from Neod separately. I'll leave a link to that video up there in case you want to check that out. The reason I broke it down and did it separately is I think, you know, the price points are so different that the sort of people that purchase from Neod and The Ordinary are totally, you know, different. You know, I buy from both, and I know a lot of you guys do, but I thought they were different enough that they'd warrant two separate videos. So if you're interested in Neod, check that one out. But today we are focusing on The Ordinary and Hylamide. Now, for the longest possible time, I have been an Ordinary fangirl. I just love the formulations, the integrity, they're cruelty-free, and they're really easy to incorporate in your skincare routine with a little bit of know-how. One thing which, as part of this November period, Deciem will be doing is providing more educational content on their website, which I think is great because the products are amazing, but it can be a little bit hard to work out how to fit them and incorporate them into your skincare routine. So some more educational demos and tutorials from Deciem, I think, is a definite ding, ding, ding in my book. And I think it's something that they've obviously listened to feedback and are creating. So big props to Deciem. First on my list of like the basics, these are the things which I absolutely have to have in my skincare routine every single day. And so I'll be buying a couple of, because you know what, might as well take advantage of a little bit of saving on products which I definitely know I'm going to use up because they've been in my life and my routine for years. Number one is going to be the Squalane cleanser. I love this product. Okay, I've got loads of cleansers on the go at the moment, and I'm becoming someone who really likes to mix up their cleansers depending on what their skin is doing on that day. But one that I keep going back to is the Squalane cleanser. It is super amazing at taking off all the dirt, debris, and SPF. It's great if you want to do a facial massage because it keeps that slip going. So I use other cleansers usually for my day-to-day cleanse, but when I want to do a really nice self-care facial massage, I reach for the Squalane cleanser as the medium to do that, provide the right slip to allow the massage to help and be effective. This is going to be a definite purchase for me. I think it's £6 here in the UK. So, you know, we're saving still 23%. Might as well get it while there's a saving on. So I'll put a couple of those on because the shelf life of it is 12 months. So it'll last me throughout 2021 for whenever I need to do a facial massage. Similarly, the other end of the skincare routine, definitely going to be purchasing some of the natural moisturising factors plus hyaluronic acid. Love, love, love this moisturizer. The reason I've really started reaching for this product again is because after a break, I kind of got a bit bored with it and stopped using it. But I've started reaching for it again because it's super simple, plain, and basic. That means you can add quite a lot into it to sort of make your own concoctions. So retinols that don't really sink into the skin that well, if you add them to this product, it'll sink in like that. The same with any vitamin C's that you might be using. If you find them a little bit greasy on the skin and like they don't really want to sink in properly to your skin type, then add it to the natural moisturising factors, apply it to the skin, gorgeous. When I'm super dry in the winter, I add a couple of drops of my favourite facial oil, which is the rosehip seed oil, another one that I'm going to be purchasing, and I've left a link to all of these below if you do want to check any of them out. The rosehip seed oil, 2 drops into the natural moisturising factors, you have like a game-changing level of hydration in a really affordable product. So those are like the 3 absolute core I'm going to be buying a couple of to make sure I always have in my routine. Like I said, I've left a link to all of these below if you do want to check them out. It'll take you through to Deciem where the sale is now on and live. And I will just point out, these are affiliate links, so we do get a commission for any of the sales that you make through clicking on those links. But here on Mad About Skin, we give all of our commission away to charity. For November and December, we're giving away to Samaritans, which are a fantastic charity supporting people who have found themselves in hardship over the Christmas period. Well, all year round, but particularly at this time of the year in Christmas. People do face hardships, do without, and also loneliness and isolation. And it's a fantastic charity that work with people to overcome those. So if you did want to buy any of these, click on those links, you get the 23% saving, and we get a little bit of commission, which will be then donated to charity. So it's like win-win. Now, in terms of the other products that I'm going to be buying, Hylamide are a fantastic, fantastic brand from Deciem. They're a little bit more expensive than the Ordinary, but they're not NIOD prices, and they come for people that want a multifunctional product. The Ordinary tend to have one single ingredient or core ingredient in each product. Hylamide tend to mix it up. My go-to, and you know what's coming because I've been singing the praises of this product all year, is the SubQ Skin. This is a sensational peptide product. It's got so many different peptides in there that are going to trigger the production of collagen, going to boost the vibrancy and luminosity of the skin, even the skin tone out, and hydrate. It's like a multifunctional overload. I love the SubQ Skin, and definitely going to be putting a couple of these on order. I'm going to buy a couple of extra as well because they're really nice little gifts to give away over the holiday season, like stocking fillers, beautiful price point, and I just love what this has done to my skin. I've recommended it to so many of you guys, and you always come back saying, oh my god, I use it, my skin feels instantly plumped, the fine lines and wrinkles are diminished. It's like an anti-aging godsend product. My top tip is to mix it, before you apply it, spritz some of the SubQ mist on the skin. I've left a link to that as well because I will be putting a couple on order. You spritz this and then you add the SubQ on top, and it will just take your hydration game into the stratosphere. Your skin will look so plump, so dewy. Every day is a good skin day when you mix those two together, and I absolutely love it. Again, link below. You don't have to use the two together. I would get the SubQ Skin if you just wanted to buy one of the two, but in combination, absolutely gorgeous. And the reason I'm going to be buying a couple of the mist is this has a beautiful spray in it, but I'm quite lavish. I don't just spritz, I like drench. I want to be absolutely soaked before I put my SubQ Skin on. And so I'm a bit overly lavish with it. So if I can save 23%, I feel a little bit less guilty about going a little bit overboard when it comes to how much I love and use that mist. Now, back to the Ordinary, because Hylamide have so many products that you should look and try, but for me, I think the SubQ Skin and mist are the two standouts and the ones I'll be buying. The rest of the products are going to come from either NIOD and the Ordinary. In terms of the other items from the Ordinary, I am going to be putting, of course, the Argireline solution on that list. This is a gorgeous, they call it Botox in a bottle. I did a review on it up there. I'll leave a link to it up there. I loved it so much, I did a single review on it. This is like Botox in a bottle. Evens out those dynamic fine lines and wrinkles, the mouth, the eyes, the forehead. Gone, 25% reduction in about a month. That is almost unheard of with anti-wrinkle creams, so I absolutely love it. Firm favourite of mine. One bottle will last me probably about 2 months, so at £5 I'm probably going to put like 3 bottles on order because I might as well get the saving because I know I'm going to use it over 2021 because since it's worked its way into my routine, I cannot be without it. I've often on this channel, we talk a lot about vitamin C's, pure form vitamin C versus derivatives. I can talk about the ones that are best to use. My absolute favourite at the moment is a derivative, and it's a ascorbyl tetraisopalmitate solution, 20% in vitamin F. That's a mouthful, but the link's down there, so you don't need to Google it. I love this product. Because it's a derivative, you can use it with peptides such as the SubQ Skin without denaturing them, which is fantastic. It's super flexible. It gives all the brightening qualities of a vitamin C, brings you back that luminosity, but, and this is the crucial thing, it's not quite as sensitizing as pure form vitamin C, and it's super flexible. You can put it anywhere you want in your skincare routine. This is in a vitamin F formulation, which is also a fantastic antioxidant, which is great, but it's going to hydrate the skin. So in winter, this is a must for me when my skin is a little bit dry. I will also put some of the ethylated ascorbic acid, which is a pure form vitamin C, on order as well, because one thing I do notice is you don't get quite the same power and strength from a derivative as you do from a pure form vitamin C. So maybe like twice a week, I'll ditch the derivative and put some of the ethylated ascorbic acid, which is a super stable version of ascorbic acid, so it stays fresher for longer, and is really my preference of all of the pure form vitamin C these from The Ordinary, that would be the one I'd recommend. It doesn't oxidize, it stays stable for longer, so you get a better performance over a longer period of time. A couple of times a week, I'll ditch the derivative and just use that just to boost, the overall brightening quality of the vitamin C's. They're both super affordable, so you can kind of mix and match, and I'm going to be ordering one of each of those. Now, a lot of people are probably going to expect me to include the buffet with copper peptides on this list. I would recommend, if you are a lover of the buffet with copper peptides, to order a couple, because at the end of the day, you're getting 23% off what is the most expensive product in the Ordinary skincare range. It's still only like, I think, £21 here in the UK, but if you can save a quarter off that price, why not? And I would normally put one of those on order. The only reason I'm not is because I'm ordering the copper amino isolate serum from Neod, which is very similar to this product, and so I don't need both of them in my life. I've chosen Neod because I prefer the formulation. Check that video out I linked earlier if you want to know some of the differences between the two. But if you don't want to push to Neod prices, but you want a fantastic anti-aging peptide serum, this is going to supercharge your anti-aging game. It'll help boost the levels of collagen and elastin in the skin. They give our skin that snapback and firmness that we all crave, and which unfortunately we lose as we age. Copper peptides are just amazing at triggering the natural production of collagen in the body, so this is a great option if you're looking for some anti-aging boost in your skincare routine. Pop one of these on order because it is expensive by Ordinary standards, so you might as well take advantage of the saving. Now, coming on to the last couple of things, I am going to put a couple of the Balance set, which is a curated set by The Ordinary, where you get the squalane cleanser, the salicylic mask, you get the niacinamide with zinc, and you get the natural moisturising factors moisturiser in a set. £23 normally, but you get the 23% off, so a super affordable price point. The reason I have included this on the list is because they make great gifts for Christmas. So for people who are new to skincare, maybe want to know where to start with their skincare routine, and have oily or slightly blemish prone skin, this is a bougie looking yet super affordable product and a really, really nice gift. So I'm going to put a couple on order to gift to people who I know would appreciate them, have the right skin type for it, and it would make a great Christmas present for. Might as well do it now where I can save the money, and also because I'm a little bit worried about some of the shipping delays, it's nice to buy a little bit early so you're not worried about missing the mark when it comes to Christmas. So a couple of those are going on the order. Finally, and this is something that might be a bit left field, a bit of a curveball, all of the Deciem's brands are included. So we normally think the Ordinary, Hylamide and Neod, they're like the core brands. However, they have another brand called the Chemistry brand, which focuses on anti-aging body treatments and hand treatments. I'm not someone that's really got into the whole body treatments, hand treatment market. I haven't reviewed the brand at all on this channel, but I will be hopping over there as soon as I finish filming this video to order one of every single thing in their collection, because I do want to do a full review of the brand. Because I did a quick Google search and I look on here on YouTube and there's not many reviews, so a lot of people are starting to ask about this brand as it gets more popular. So I'm going to order all of their range so I can test them, show them, demo them to you guys so you know whether it's worth splurging. I'm going to try and do that review before the end of November, so if you do like the idea of it, you can obviously take advantage of the savings on it. But I'm quite excited. Some of the initial thoughts and feedback from some people I know who've tried it, super encouraging. I would love to know, leave me a comment below if you have tried any of their products and what you think. I'm going to go over and pop one on order of every single one of their products so I can give a full brand review of the Chemistry brand. So guys, that's it. Hopefully you're super excited about saving a little bit of coin on some brands that on this channel we absolutely love and adore. If you do want to buy any of them, the links are in the description box below. I'd love to know in the comments whether A, you've tried the Chemistry brand and what your thoughts were, and if you're going to be making a purchase using, the 23% off saving throughout November. Wherever you are in the world, guys, stay safe, stay well, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Bye.